Turned out to be a nice day, so I'm gonna get to sanding on my truck. Alright, show you what it looks like when I'm done. Come outside, get ready to do some sanding on my truck, get it ready for paint. Weather will not be cooperating today. But here's the beast. Gonna do a two-tone with Rust-Oleum products. Because I'm cheap. It's going to be the best Rust-Oleum paint job you've seen on YouTube. I'm going to make it color shift. And then add some metal flake. Okay, my friends. It's day 2. Let's see what the weather's going to look like today. Oh, nice and hot. My garbage can, gotta put it away. There's the truck ready for day 2 sanding. Got a little bit done, not much. Got the hood started. It's dark over here, you ain't gonna be able to see. I have zero lighting, so yeah, let me get going on this and sand away. It's a block party. I'll get back to you in a minute. Well, it's the end of a hot day 2 sanding on that truck. I got it pretty much scuffed up, ready to be primered. Everyone's seen a primer job. Nice gas car. Everyone's seen primer on a car, so next time you see this, it's going to be in black. Alright. Okay, YouTube, it's the next day. Did a little bit on the truck today. Put a silver base down on the bottom. Painted that. You can see the tape line where I pulled the tape. So, let that dry overnight. Wet sand and do the black base tomorrow on the top of this. Calling them base coats. You guys are gonna be surprised what you see when it's done. Alright, that's today's update. There we go. Just finished pulling the paper off that truck. I had to go and change my shirt. But it's hot as shit out here in South Florida. And there it is. I went to put the sapphire on it this morning and couldn't even see it. So the sapphire was a no-go. I just went to metal flake. And there it is. Flaky. Flaky, flaky, flaky. Truck's done. I gotta put the lights back in it. And that's my beater. My free truck has a paint job. Yay.